Okay, let's dive into the most important data structure in R, the data frame. Think of it as your digital spreadsheet. So here's the thing. Real-world data is messy, right? You've got numbers, text, all mixed together. Unlike a matrix, which forces everything to be one type, a data frame lets you mix and match. And that's where the data frame saves the day. It's basically R's version of a spreadsheet. So how do you actually get your data into one? Well, there are two main ways. First up, loading from a file. The read table function is your go-to for importing text data. And you can handle things like headers and missing values all in one simple command. It's super common. Here, we're creating our auto data frame, telling R the first row has the variable names. And hey, if you're working with a CSV file from Excel, just use read.csv. Easy. Okay, on to method 2, building one from scratch using vectors you already have. You just take your vectors, which are like lists of data, and combine them into a new data frame. And boom, the data frame function just lines them up as columns in a brand new table for you. Great! So your data is loaded. Now what? First thing, you've got to check out its structure. The dim function is your best friend here. It quickly tells you the number of rows and columns. So for our auto data set, we just run dim auto. And there you have it, 397 rows, which are our observations, and 9 columns, our variables. Want a closer look? The fix command actually pops open a spreadsheet-style viewer. Super handy. But, classic data frames can be a bit much. They can just flood your screen with info. And that's exactly why the Tidyverse introduced a modern version called the Tibble. So what's so great about Tibbles? Well, they're just smarter about how they show you your data. Hadley Wickham even calls them lazy and surly. They do less and they're stricter, which actually helps you. So let's wrap this up. Data frames are your core tool, but modern Tibbles make life way easier. Now that your data has a home, what story are you going to make it tell? Go find out.